What we have noticed is that AE Savindra Desai of Works Division 2 WRD has signed certain agencies' bills which are not recorded, which are not done during the work order period. One work is at Carle Properties, Stretch, and one is Margoda Mall. These works were shown completed in February 2025. I went to at site in February, 23rd February, Herald paper, by keeping the Herald paper and taken the photo as evidence. Thereafter, on 19 July 2025, again taken the photo. The area is fully covered with thick grass, and he has shown it that this silting is done. And he has signed certain agencies and certain files, and many files are pending on his table. We have taken the photo also. So many files are pending on his table, also on the ground. Desilting of this big Saravali Walden Tode, Pagada Pond and Simply Pond, if that was taken up, then the flood height would have not come up. Water would have been stored there. He is keeping all files pending, and there is a direction from the collector, South Goa, to remove him from the office, and it is forwarded to the chief engineer of WRD. And still pending there. We have even written to the Chief Minister and Water Resources Minister. And thereafter, we all contractors joined and taken the signatures of the contractors that we are again going to submit to the office and also to the Vigilance Department to take action against him. He is not seen in the office, and he is keeping everything pending. There is nobody to ask him like that. He is showing. So we want immediate action to be taken against him. He should be removed from that office or he should be suspended. We will report to the WRD Minister again, Chief Engineer, Director of Vigilance, and also the South Goa Grievances Minister, Sri Digambar Kamath.